Hi guys, so today I thought I'd show you how to disable this XP um, in the YouTube chat because it's causing a lot of issues for a lot of people. It's slowing down the chat, it's causing people to try and cheat so they can get extra XP points, and the whole thing is completely pointless. So I thought I'd just briefly show you how to disable it if you want to. So first of all, we're going to go to our account in YouTube and then go to view your channel. And once we're in the channel, we're going to go down on the left-hand side, down to settings, privacy. And here you'll see the option listed under live chat to turn off the leaderboards. Now this is a bit strange because you have to turn it on to turn it off, which is a bit sneaky. So it's off by default, but by turning it on, if you read what it says, you're turning it off. And once you do that, if it was already enabled previously, once you disable it, you lose all of your XP instantly. And you have to start again. But we're not concerned about that because we're not going to use it anyway. So we're going to select that option to turn it off. And now when you go back to your YouTube chats, you won't have the XP showing. It is possible to turn it back on again just by coming back in here and turning it on. And should you want to. So I thought that might just be of interest to a lot of people because I know that people are having difficulty finding out how to turn it off. So I thought I'd make this quick video and show you how it works. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and share this with your friends. It should be useful, hopefully. Thank you.